Are you trying to deactivate your Messenger account? If you are, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process of successfully deactivating your Messenger. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your Messenger app and tap on the three lines on the top left. From here, tap on the settings on the top right and just scroll down to the bottom of the page. From here, you'll have a section of Account Center of Meta. Just tap on the See More in Account Center option. And it's going to take you to the Account Center. Now to deactivate your Messenger, just tap on the Personal Details option and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now inside of this option, you'll see Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on this option. Select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Now we're selecting the Facebook account because there is no option of deactivating your Messenger only. You can only choose to deactivate Facebook, and after that you'll need to deactivate your Messenger. So select the deactivate option, tap on continue, and then type in the password of your Facebook and then tap on continue. In the next step, just choose a reason of deactivating and tap on continue. Now in the last section, you need to choose when you want to reactivate your account. If you don't want to reactivate it automatically, you can choose don't deactivate automatically and tap on done. Tap on continue, and lastly you can scroll down and tap on deactivate my account. This way your Facebook will be deactivated. After the Facebook has been deactivated, now you can tap legal and policy option, and if you have deactivated your Facebook, you will have an option of deactivate Messenger right here. So just tap on that option and your Messenger will be deactivated. So that was a quick and easy process of deactivating your Messenger account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.